Do you ever find yourself needing to split a Currie's project into multiple phases? CURRIES EDGE has a simple way to do that, and that's through phase allocation. Phase allocation is a two-step process that will help save you time by splitting those projects into as many projects as needed. To start, click the Phase Assignment button located at the right side of your Edge header section. This is the first step in separating your project into phases. At the top right, click the plus button to create records of the phases you are separating your project into. For this project, I want to separate all tags ending in A, B, and C into different phases. Starting in the Phase/Floor field, I will enter my phase name. Then using my Tab key, I will now identify the item numbers I want to go into Floor 1. For this first phase, I want to separate all tags ending in the letter A. So I will enter the letter A and select Suffix as my identifying location. To add additional phases, click the plus button. Once finished, click the Apply button at the bottom of the window. Finish allocating the phases, click Allocate Phase at the bottom of your Edge form. This is step 2 in this process. To allocate the floors into different phases, select the Phase drop-down arrow, choose the first phase, and click Allocate. Edge will proceed with creating a separate project for that phase. Continue by duplicating the step for each phase as needed. You can review each project created for the separate phases by clicking the PDF icon under the Item/Mark column. Exit out of this window when finished and close the project. You will see all of the separate phases created by this process under the Project tab, as well as the original project with the original entry intact. CURRIES EDGE is proud to integrate helpful tools like phase allocation to help assist you in creating separate shipments for your job sites. Thank you for using CURRIES EDGE. Check out our other Edge videos to help you get the most out of this online ordering tool.